guys, today we are going to show you how to reply to a comment with the video on TikTok. So let's start the process. What you have to do is only open your TikTok app. After it opens, simply go to the comment section of that video on which you want to reply with the video. So for me, I will do this in this video. So I am tapping on this comment icon. After opening the comment section, simply go to that person on which you want to reply with the video. I will reply to this guy. Simply tap on this reply icon. From here, write your reply. Now tap on this video icon. After tapping, if you want to record a new video, then record a new video from here. But if you want to upload the video from your gallery, then simply tap on this upload icon, which is at the right side of this record button. So for me, I will choose the video from my gallery. So I am tapping on this upload icon. So as you see, I choose this video and I will reply with this video to this person. After choosing, tap on this next icon. Now one thing here, you will see this option, only you can view this post. Tap on this one and tap on the icon everyone. Now simply tap on this post icon, and when you will tap on this one, you will reply to that comment with the video. So by this way you can reply to a comment with the video on TikTok.